Hello everyone, thanks for joining this Jewellery ERP programs. I would like to showcase you how to create register your customers. Let's click on a customer tab. Let's go to your add customers options. Let's select your customer name. Let's put the information on your customer name. Alright, so let me put my customer name information. Let's suppose I'm putting Mohit Singh as my customer name. I would like to put up my the primary phone number for this person, and once you are done you can put your email ID, you can put the customer type is retail or wholesale or VIP, you can put your address. Let's suppose I'm putting called Silver City, Greater Noida is my city. Let's suppose I would like to put the Greater Noida is my, and then state as Uttar Pradesh, and the pin code is 110020. You can put the KYC detail. Let's suppose I like to put my KYC detail here, and along with the my what do you call our PAN numbers detail. If you have a GST, you can put the GST as well. You can put the date of birth. If you like to put their family details also, you can put this family detail. Hit save button, and you can successfully able to create the new customer that we have registered here called Mohit Singh. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for this more updates on a Jewellery ERP, Jewellery CRM system. I will discuss about more topics. Thank you.